Guys, Kylie Penny here. Today we're picking my dog up from the vet. Oh, we're here. So we're going. Gotta put my mask on. So just a thing on my.
I don't have a mask.
I thought you were staying in here. You said you didn't want to go in.
And here we go. Climbing can.
Hey, tell me if Winnie's okay, please.
Okay. My dog's name is Winnie, by the way. Here it is.
Hello.
Hello.
Here for Winnie.
Yeah.
All right, we get pulled up here.
Hi, how are you guys?
All right. How are you?
I'm hanging in there.
Did he have a leash with him? You got it right there. Perfect. I've got a question to ask them here real quick. They come out of the room, so just a minute.
Yeah, 1 year.
You can talk to her.
Hey, Winnie.
You get stuff on the phone. Yeah. You get it all.
Person. Hey, Winnie. Winnie's like, get me out of here.
She's like, get me out of here. What do you think, Dad?
Yeah.
Huh?
Good.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Did we find his rabies tag?
So just a little delay
Good, Winnie.
on your baby guys.
Yeah. Winnie's like,
There she is. There you go. She's just ready to go, isn't she? Oh, I know.
hey, Winnie. Hey, Winnie.
She did real well.
Okay, good.
She's got a drain. He doesn't like
We got his rabies tag here.
That's a 3-year rabies too, okay? She's got a drain in her ear. You can take a wet wash rag and kind of clean it off if it starts, because it's going to drain, okay? She did real well. She had her 3-year rabies. She had injectable heartworm, so you don't have to give her heartworm pills for a year. For a year. Yeah, and
They had it when we
rabies, heartworm. And
Gwyneth.
she was negative, so.
Okay, well, yeah,
And she's gonna shake her head a little bit because it's got a. Did you look at it?
No.
Come here, Win.
Abe, do you want to see it?
It's got sutures and stuff in it.
You want
So
to
what you need to do is you want to massage it so that it starts to leak, and then you can use like Kleenexes and.
So
anything
that's
to
why
wipe that stuff
when
off.
Winnie's ear hit me, there's a little bit of blood on my
Yes, it's like a
And-
serum
Okay.
coming out of there. Just keep kind of massaging it so all that comes out, and then wipe it off with a Kleenex or a paper towel wet. You can do wet.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
If you have any problems, call me.
Here's your receipt, your rabies certificate.
Oh yeah, we'll have to have those.
Yeah.
There you go.
There's some other
She's
stuff
taken
in there.
care of.
All right.
Yep.
See you guys later.
All right.
See ya.
Love you
See ya.
guys.
I love you.
All right, Lois.
And so we got Winnie. That's the end of the video.
Oh, you want to get her jumping into the back?
And that was 6 minute video, so bye!